You just crushed the interview. The offer is basically yours. Then they say it.
One more thing.
We just need to run a background check. And suddenly, your brain goes places you haven't visited in years. That parking ticket. The job title you slightly stretched. The semester you'd rather forget. Here's the truth. Most people have zero idea what actually happens during a background check. Today, we're closing that gap. No fluff, no fear, just facts. First, kill the biggest myth. A background check is not one single search. It's a menu, a customizable bundle that employers pick based on the role and the industry. Criminal history, employment verification, education check, credit report, driving record, drug screening, a coffee shop hiring a barista, maybe just criminal history, a bank hiring a VP. They're ordering the whole menu. So when someone says, "We're running a background check," the real question is, which one? Before anything happens, they need your permission. That's the law. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, employers must get your written consent before running any third-party background check. You'll get a form, digital or paper. Pro tip, actually read it. It tells you exactly what they're authorized to look into, what databases, what time range, what categories. Most people skip it. That's a mistake. No consent, no check. Simple as that. Now the one everyone dreads, the criminal history check. Here's what it actually is. Screening companies search public courthouse records, county, state, sometimes federal, tied to your name and date of birth. It is not a Hollywood fingerprint scan into a government mega database. Private employers can't do that. And here's what they cannot see. Arrests without convictions, often excluded. Expunged records, sealed, gone. And in most states, there's a 7-year look-back limit. That's it. 7 years back. Nothing further. They're not seeing everything. They're seeing specific things, in specific places, within a specific time frame. This one catches more people than anything else. Employment verification means they contact your previous employers, directly or through a third-party database, to confirm exactly what you listed. Title, dates, role. Did you stretch your title a little? Add months you didn't work? List a company where you only freelanced. They find it. Same with your education. They call your university. They verify your degree, your major, your graduation year. Attended is not the same as graduated. They know the difference. Your resume is a legal document the moment you sign an application. Treat it like one. Here's the part nobody talks about. A finding does not automatically end your chances. Before an employer can reject you based on a background check result, they are legally required to give you a copy of the report and a chance to dispute it. This is called the adverse action process. And errors happen, more than you'd think. Wrong names, mixed up records, outdated information that should have been removed years ago. You have the right to challenge every single one. And even if something legitimate shows up, many employers evaluate it case by case. How long ago? How relevant? What were the circumstances? It is not always the end of the conversation. A few more checks worth knowing. Credit checks, only for roles involving money. Finance, accounting, anything with financial responsibility. And many states now limit when employers can even use this. Driving records. If the job has wheels, they're pulling your license history. Violations, suspensions. DU is. Yes, that 2019 speeding ticket is in there. And drug screening. Some industries require it. Usually done at a clinic before your start date, not as part of the background check itself. Background checks aren't magic. They're not all-seeing. They are a process, with rules, limits, and legal protections built specifically for you. So here's what you do right now. Run your own background check before anyone else does. Know what's in there. Dispute anything wrong. Be honest on your resume. Every single line. Because the next time someone looks you in the eye and says, "We just need to run a background check," you'll be the calmest person in the room. New videos every week explaining the systems most people never see. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.